Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, my hair is a hot mess. So we will be spicing it up using this $2 expression braiding hair. I already have my hair parted into two sections. I have a very thick, low porosity natural 4C hair. It's relatively damp at the moment because I just washed it. No other products is on it yet. So now I'll be parting each hair section into two, front and back on both sides. Then put each section in a bun. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. This is Tinuola, and on this platform, I share content on beauty, well-being, and lifestyle. So feel free to subscribe down below and click the notification bell beside it for new videos every week. I promise I won't bug you. For my returning subscribers, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. It's good to have you here again. How are you all doing? I just do. I did gentle. This style is to slick down our hair into two ponytail slash braids. This method is suitable for those that don't like gel or find it damaging their hair and their edges. So you want to start with the back section and go in with any hair butter slash thick hair cream which can lay your hair down. I'm using Shea Moisture coil enhancing smoothie. Absolutely love the smell. It weighs well on my hair to lay it down, and it's super moisturizing. Apply generous amounts but not excessive. So I'm massaging the product into my entire hair just to make sure it's well coated. I recommend to wash your hair before doing this style, or at least dampen your hair so the products can blend well. This for me is a protective hairstyle, and that's why I love this method, to keep your hair moisturized and sleek. So now you want to do the same on the other side. Once you're done with both back sections, move to the front section. In the front section, we are going to moisturize our hair the same way. The only difference now is we will be joining the front section to the back section. So you want to make sure the center part is neatly divided as much as possible. Comb through to ensure there are no tangles in your hair, and just have fun while you do it. Hair is part of self-care, and self-care is self-love, baby. So enjoy it. So massage the product into your hair as usual. You also want to fully coat the tips of your hair. Make sure you don't neglect those tips. Don't neglect those tips, baby. You can use a fine comb to take off the excess hair cream or hair products to avoid any white cast or product buildup on your hair. The, once joined with the back section, you want to pack it with a band and braid the tip of your hair. At this point, you can also use a brush to further lay your hair down. And do the same on the other side. If you're enjoying this video so far, feel free to give it a thumbs up. It will further help this video to reach out to people that would also find it helpful. Thank you. Next step is to go in with your got-to-be glue and castor oil. Castor oil is good for your edges, sis. You always want to have castor oil in your hair regimen. Highly recommended. So you want to mix them together and apply to your edges. Also apply around your center part. You can rub the rest on your entire hair. I was trying to lay my edges, but yeah, my edges don't lay. Once I finally hack the art of laying my edges, I'm gonna update you guys on that, trust me. So we are done with that, and I'm gonna spray my hair with got2b hairspray. So you want to cover your hair with a scarf. Now you want to go in with your braiding hair. I'm using just one braiding hair, that's more than enough. Now you want to cut it into two. I'm cutting into two because I don't want the entire braiding hair length. It's too long for me, so I prefer to cut it into two. So we're going to use these two bundles for both sides. Now you want to go in with your hair grease, going in with dark hair grease, just to give the braiding hair some shine and to just make it smoother. Want to separate the braiding hair like so. You don't need to pick it, guys. That's gonna take forever. So for this style, you don't need to pick your braiding hair. Just separate it with your hands like that. Make sure there are no tangles there, and comb through. As you can see, as I'm combing through, there are a little bit of tangles that you need to just comb through. Okay, guys. So once you're done, use a hairband in the middle of the braiding hair like so. You want to tie that at least twice to make sure it's firm. So tie it around your hair until it's tight, it's firm, and you can no longer tie it. Just want to divide the hair into 3 parts. Now is the time you start braiding. Make sure the braiding hair covers your hair properly. As you can see, my hair is showing, so I'm going to adjust it to make sure the braiding hair covers my hair properly. Alright guys, so once that is done, you just want to keep braiding down. Take your time to braid it, give it a good braid. It's your usual 3-strand braid that you're going to do for this style. As you can see, some of the edges are going to be blunt because you didn't pick the hair individually, right? So in that case, you just try as much as possible to cover the blunt parts. If you see any braiding hair coming out, feel free to go back in to arrange the hair properly. So guys, you just want to keep on braiding. Just to the tip of the hair, you would see the blunt parts. Try to cover it in as much as you can. Once you're done with that, you want to do the same to the other side. As you guys can see, this hair is already looking nice. Once you're done with both sides, you want to trim off any excess hair sprouting out. Now you want to put it in hot water. Be careful, guys. If you're not sure of this step, don't do it. It's not compulsory. It's just to further give the hair a soft, sleek, straight look. And guys, at this point, you are basically done. You can use a bobby pin to further secure your hair with the braiding hair. And that is the look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.